Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest trends and advancements in technology. In today's video, we will be discussing two exciting technologies, artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain, and how they can work together to create even more powerful solutions. Specifically, we will be exploring how the AI technology GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and blockchain can correspond and work together. Section 1. Introduction to GPT AI technology. First, let's start by understanding what GPT AI technology is. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an AI language model that is designed to understand natural language processing. Essentially, it can take in large amounts of text and use that information to generate responses or predictions. GPT is often used in applications like chatbots, virtual assistants, and text-based content generation. Section 2. Introduction to blockchain technology. Now, let's move on to blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. Blockchain technology has become popular due to its ability to provide secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. Section 3. Benefits of combining GPT AI technology and blockchain technology. So, how can these two technologies work together? Well, there are several benefits to combining GPT AI technology and blockchain technology. Firstly, GPT AI technology can be used to analyze and understand large amounts of data. This can be incredibly useful in the context of blockchain, as blockchain transactions generate a lot of data. GPT can analyze this data and identify patterns or anomalies that could be indicative of fraud or other issues. Secondly, GPT AI technology can be used to improve the efficiency of blockchain transactions. By analyzing past transactions, GPT can predict which transactions are likely to be successful and which ones are likely to fail. This can help reduce the number of failed transactions, which in turn can improve the overall efficiency of the blockchain network. Thirdly, blockchain technology can provide a secure and transparent platform for GPT AI technology to operate on. By using a decentralized blockchain network, GPT AI technology can be protected from potential attacks or data breaches. Additionally, blockchain technology can provide a transparent and tamper-proof record of GPT's analyses, which can be incredibly useful for auditing and compliance purposes. Section 4. Real-world examples of GPT AI technology and blockchain technology corresponding. So, what are some real-world examples of GPT AI technology and blockchain technology corresponding? One example is the use of GPT AI technology to analyze blockchain-based supply chains. By analyzing the data generated by a blockchain-based supply chain, GPT can identify patterns that could indicate potential issues with the supply chain, such as delays or bottlenecks. This can help improve the efficiency and transparency of the supply chain, while also providing a secure and tamper-proof record of the supply chain's activities. Another example is the use of GPT AI technology to analyze and predict cryptocurrency prices. By analyzing past transactions and market data, GPT can make predictions about the future price of a given cryptocurrency. This can be incredibly useful for investors looking to make informed decisions about buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Section 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, GPT AI technology and blockchain technology can correspond in a variety of ways to create even more powerful solutions. By combining the data analysis capabilities of GPT with the secure and transparent platform of blockchain, we can create innovative solutions in areas such as supply chain management, finance, and more. As these technologies continue to evolve and mature, we can expect even more exciting developments in the future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.